Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted apps on your Samsung phone. So if you want to get something back, you can just go over to the Google Play Store right here. And then just choose Games in the bottom left. And then go to the top to your profile picture. Go down to Manage Apps and Device. Go over to Manage. Now you're going to see all these applications currently installed. Just go to this device. You can see all your devices. Just go to Not Installed. And this will give you a list of apps you had at one point in time. So if you downloaded something and you can't quite remember the name, you could just maybe try going to recently updated. Maybe that might help. So I was messing around with all these different apps recently, like Big Keyboard, Fortnite, and I can just go on down. So you can just choose that option and then you can just select it. So downloaded Tesla app on a different device, I might want to go ahead and get this. So I can select this, and then Roborock is my vacuum cleaner. And then we can go on down. Pixel camera, that's not available on this device because it's not Google. And then we can scroll on down, and then we should be able to just download it. Hit download it, and it should install now. Here's Tesla. So just go ahead and do that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.